Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then again 3 plus 1 is equal to also 4. Now 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here we have one addition, one subtraction, and one another addition. So all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 plus 1. Now here is one subtraction and here is one addition. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction. Is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.